Hello, in this video we will learn how to make our own personal stickers on any topic you want, completely free. Let's first log into WhatsApp and see how it all looks. Go to the chat and click on the emoji. Open stickers and we see that we have nothing else besides WhatsApp stickers. Let's now close WhatsApp and open Play Market. We go to the Play Market and open the search bar and write Sticker Maker. Select it from the results that appear. A link to this program will also be in the description of this video. Click Install and wait until it's installed. Wait 50%, 89%, 99%. Now we have it installed. Let's go into it. Here we need to click on that big Create a New Sticker Pack button. Click and give the sticker pack a name. Let's write YouTube. And the name of the author of the sticker pack is Study, and click Create. Now we need to add an image that will display our sticker pack. Select the first item, tray icon. Here we can take a photo, select from the gallery, select from files, from stickers and text. Let's select Open Gallery. Give it permissions. Click on the gallery and then go here. Let's use, for example, an iPhone picture. Here you can cut out the picture if you want. This can be done in the following way. This is how we cut it. I did this for an example. But you can make it better. Write text or make an outline and so on. Let's write iPhone. And select outline. Let's make it like this. That's it. Now click on Save Sticker. This icon will display our sticker pack. Let's now add the sticker itself. Click Open Gallery and select the YouTube icon. Carefully cut it out, like this. Here we cut it out. We already have a line, but let's make it yellow this time. We can increase its size, like this. And let's add the text YouTube. And leave it like that. I think it's beautiful. Click Save Sticker. Next, we click on the Add to WhatsApp button in the lower right corner. We are waiting for the download. We are asked where to add it. Let's select WhatsApp and click on the Add button. Now we can close this application. Go to WhatsApp, go to Chat, go to Emoji, and in Stickers we have our sticker pack, our icon. We click on it, give it permission, and now we can send it and the person will receive it. So we got our sticker pack. You can try to make it more beautiful and everything will be fine. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and like the video. See you soon.